How to block someone on the Telegram app. To be continued after break, please keep watching. Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use the Telegram app step by step. Today we will learn how to block someone on Telegram app. Let's get started and see how can we do that. Click on the Telegram app icon. Click on three lines which shown on top left. Click on Settings. Scroll down till you get Privacy and Security. Press on Blocked Users. Click on Block User. Select the person which you want to block, like this one. Press on Block User. Now user blocked. If you want to unblock the same user, just press on three dot. Press on unblock. Now you unblock these users. That's all. If you find that our content is helpful, you can subscribe our channel. Also like, share and comment on our video. We will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.